this is good. I prepare my oats with a little bit of water and almond milk, and I'll let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. And don't forget to stir because it will get stuck to the bottom and it will burn. Serve my oats with strawberry, bananas if I have. If I don't have, I can alternate and use mango, blueberries, and I top it with honey, peanut butter, and a little bit of cinnamon. And that will take you about 10 to 15 minutes and you're done. For the carrot protein shake, I use plain yogurt, frozen bananas, carrots. You can use cooked or raw carrots, almond milk or any other type of milk. You can add a little bit of honey. I didn't add. You can use protein powder, but if you don't have, then that's okay. Rinse your quinoa or whatever. If you don't rinse it, it will taste a little bit bitter, just a little teeny. Then I add my spices in a plain pan. Then I add a little bit of water. Cook on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to use a mixture of these ingredients to season my chicken. My quinoa is almost ready. I'm going to prepare my chickpea curry, then I'll mix it with the chicken. Estoy preparando garbanzos y el pollo al curry. Agregue tomates y especias. This is a normal day for me, consuming high protein meals and healthy carbs to help me grow muscles, maintain my weight, and just eat healthy. If you're watching your weight and you feel like cooking cream is a no, then blend half a banana and a cup of skim milk or low fat milk and replace it instead of using cooking cream. Add some coriander. It really makes it taste good. So basically what I've prepared is chickpea chicken curry, but you can have chickpea curry and you can have chicken curry separately, but I love mixing the two. It tastes amazing. After adding chicken, I realized my soup was gone. It was like kudos. So instead of adding water, I add more cream and more tomatoes. Y si no quieres usar crema para cocinar, puedes usar leche. Mi español está en el punto. You should have a good relationship with your food. I don't believe in restriction, just find a balance. Spending almost 1.5 hours cooking is worth it because now I have lunch for 2 days. 2 días. Tengo comida para 2 días. for dinner I'm going to have veggies because I love eating light for dinner. It helps maintain that stomach, and I'll have it with white rice. Normally I'll go for brown rice, but for once, geez, somebody can have white rice. And because my chickpea chicken curry was extremely delicious, I'm just going to dress my dinner with that sauce. Thank you a todos for watching. I hope you enjoyed my meals.